On the boat side, good second fish here. 5 going.
Hey guys, we just drove all the way back from Toho and we're sitting here at the BFL Table Rock. Didn't get any practice. Before we went to tow, we came out here, caught a couple fish, and kind of got general knowledge of what's going on. So we're gonna get out here and see what happens.
That one? No, I'm just bumping into stuff.
Let's make a move.
You know, she'll fish all weekend, you know.
Where she can just catch. You got one?
Yep.
He might. He might. There he goes. Net. You ready?
Yep.
Oh my God.
Good job, man.
Dude, that's a giant.
That's fucking 6.
He smoked it. And I mean smoked it. That's what I thought we were gonna be getting bit by. I mean, so there's bait out here and there's a bunch of fish surrounding it, but they're on the bottom. They're not feeding on the bait, but if you get your bait close enough, they'll react to it. I've had like 3 or 4 bites.
There you go.
That thing looks like a minnow compared to that big fish.
I know it.
Yeah. You ready?
Here you go, baby.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. At a time, you're getting there.
Net. You ready?
Yep. Yeah, baby. Dude, hell yeah, babe. Fuck, another 5. Oh. Time. One more now. Yeah, one more.
He's probably 4.
Yeah,
I saw him cruising. Sniffing around in that brush pile. He didn't know what was coming for him.
14-ish. Chance of big bass. You're awfully trusting.
All right, number 5. All right, get your A-rig and cast screen.
Chunk ball.
Yeah, he's a little thicky.
Yeah. Well, that was a hell of a comeback, man. For real. Nice job.
That's what happens when you don't practice and you just freaking free ball it.
We have Brock Vila on the boater side. Good second fish here. 5 going, 17 pounds, 1 ounce. Got Brock Vila, you're tied at second place right now, Brock. Yes, sir, we can weigh a big fish. 5 pounds, 2 ounces, what we're looking at. We need to top that to take the honors. $1,000 on a big fish today. Show it off, good looking fish. This one's got a chance, I believe. What's it weigh?
I didn't weigh it.
Didn't weigh it, no clue, but 5'3" would have been a good guess. How about 5 pounds, 9 ounce, new big bass on the boater side for Brock Vila. Good job, man. That cast could be $1,000 right there.
Well, that was a quick turnaround of events. We started down on the lower end, fished a bunch of piles that I had, and trying to fish some bait. And there were some fish down there, but they wouldn't react with our lure very well. And you could hear in the video, I told my co-angler, I was like, we're fixing to make a run. And sure enough, we packed up and ran all the way up to James, and I started fishing a bunch of piles, and I rolled up to one that I've caught some fish off of before, and I caught that first 5'9" or 5-pounder. And at that point, I was pretty much set for the rest of the day on knowing what I was going to go do. Not get a lot of bites, but knowing that you're getting quality bites. So that's what we did. And, you know, ended up with 17 pounds, pretty good bag. I know I was sitting in second. I'm guessing I'll go 10th, maybe 10th to 20th, somewhere around there. You know, with no practice coming in from Toho, I'm very, very, very happy with that. So it was a fun tournament. I'm glad to be back in Missouri catching some fish.
Okay, I got a two-way tie in 4th place on the boater side. The weight was 17 pounds, 1 ounce. The first of the cash was $1,300 out of Ozark, Missouri, Brock Bela. And that 12-ounce cash, $700 out of St. Louis, Missouri, Kyle King.